I'm in the dead of night, comfort is far and spite, consumed from left and right.
Whoa, whoa.
Your face is just a blur, avoidance insecure, you're surely down for the night. Opening solitude, can't help but sit and brood, I'm feeling tired.
Alive, alive.
The sun has been obscured, completely and for sure, there's no escape from this fight. But tonight, I'll change it, throw you out, I'll change it, throw you down, I'll rip it and burn like a thunder-soaked cloud. I'll make you scream it loud and make you freaking proud. I'll shout in the dark and you'll hear it resound like a downpour, like a downpour, like a downpour. It grows from black and white, on my own in spite, consuming left and right.
Whoa, whoa.
You're left in solitude, I hope you sit and brood, regret it all with your life.
Guitar solo that I can't make. Start.
I'll change it, throw you out. I'll change it, throw you down. I feel it coming now. It burns me all around.
Guitar solo and drums bang.
The water gushing blood, red in my eyes but shut. Your worthless sound be loud. I'll make you freaking proud, like a downpour.
I'll change it, throw you out.
Like a downpour.
I'll change it, throw you down.
Like a downpour.
Like a
downpour.